Our project aims to visualize women's advancement through the lenses of healthcare, education, marriage, labor, and finance, both globally and in the U.S. We designed our landing page in a scrolly-telling format to engage users and inform them of the goal of our project and of some of its findings. At the bottom of the landing page, we embedded tiles that link directly to the dashboards on the website, providing users a path to the topics they are most interested in. Our healthcare visualizations offer an interactive exploration of key aspects of women's health. The first visualization has an interactive timeline, allowing users to select any year from 1960 to 2020. It highlights the decline in adolescent pregnancies attributed to the increased knowledge and accessibility of various contraceptive methods and the trend of mothers having fewer children on average. By clicking on individual countries in the visualization, users can update the two smaller charts below it, which will display data specific to the selected country. The second visualization focuses on the significant reduction in maternal mortality rates over time, largely due to improved healthcare access and innovative health technologies. The visualization is interactive based on region, enabling users to select and examine data from different regions. The first dashboard examines the female education gap, which is the difference in years of education for girls minus boys. The first visual shows the education gap for significant regions. For the second visual, when users hit play, they can observe how countries' gaps have evolved, with many girls catching up to boys. The second visual shows female literacy rates. When the user selects a year in the drop-down box, or toggles to a year, they can see how the literacy rates have changed globally over time and how data coverage has improved. The second visual highlights literacy rates by country in 2021. The first U.S. dashboard shows the average maternal age by state and education level from 2016 to 2021. With the year animation, users can see how maternal ages change over time. Selecting a state will also allow for a closer look at region-specific details. The next dashboard shows the total number of births by education level, highlighting the breakdown of births by degree, year, and state. Users can click on an education level to see how the percentages compare across states. The first dashboard for the marriage indicator looks at women's age at first marriage. When users select a block, a year, or a region in the heat map, the dot plot filters the country information for that selection. Users may then select an individual country on the dot plot, and the visualization will highlight that country's data over time. The second dashboard investigates the marriage indicator score, which reflects countries' legal constraints related to marriage, obedience, divorce, and domestic violence. The right side of this dashboard explores 3 sub-indicators that feed into the overall score. When users select a bar on the bar chart, the sub-indicator choroplets zoom to that region and show country statuses. Our final indicator is women's employment and financial opportunities. The first view shows average percent access to bank accounts for men and women. The second shows women's access by country. The third view shows the gap between men's and women's access over time, while the fourth plots women's access against the evolving gender gap. Here, users can select a year and view the trends over time. The second dashboard displays 5 binary indicators, including whether women have the ability to be head of household and whether they can hold various types of jobs. We hope you enjoyed this brief demo and encourage you to come explore our website and learn more about women's advancement.